If you are in the travel agent business, it's always a good idea to partner with a host travel agency, especially if you're just starting out. Host agencies offer support services, training, and software to help propel and grow your travel business. However, before choosing a host travel agency, it's always a good idea to check out how they compare. These are the top 9 host travel agencies of 2020 that are suitable for startups. We ranked these travel agencies according to the level of customer satisfaction, the cost to start up, and their commission share. Before we begin, please take this time to subscribe to this channel and remember to like and share this video. Number 9. Gifted Travel Networks. Gifted Travel Networks is a medium-sized agency that caters to niches in adventure, cruises, group tours, leisure, luxury vacations, ethnic vacations, honeymoon and destination weddings, and free and independent travelers. And they offer an intercultural competence course. The cost to start is about $699, and they offer 70 to 100% on commissions. Number 8. KHM Travel Group. KHM Travel Group is a large agency that caters to niches in adventure, cruises, group tours, leisure, luxury vacations, ethnic vacations, honeymoon and destination weddings, and free and independent travelers. The cost to start is about $697, and they offer 80 to 90% on commissions. Number 7. Magical Moments. Magical Moments is a medium-sized agency that caters to niches in adventure, cruises, group tours, leisure, luxury vacations, Disney vacations, honeymoon and destination weddings, and free and independent travelers. And they offer intercultural competence training. The cost to start is about $600, and they offer 70 to 90% on commissions. Number 6. Dugan's Travels LLC. Dugan's Travels offers general travel services, and they do not specialize in a niche. The cost to start with them is about $550, and they offer 70 to 80% on commissions. Number 5. Incentive Connection Travel. Incentive Connection Travel caters to niches in adventure, cruises, corporate travel, group tours, leisure, luxury vacations, Disney vacations, honeymoon and destination weddings, and free and independent travelers. They offer intercultural competence training, and the cost to start with them is about $390. They offer 70 to 80% on commissions. Number 4. Nexion Travel Group. Nexion Travel Group caters to niches in adventure, cruises, group tours, leisure, luxury vacations, ethnic vacations, honeymoon and destination weddings, and free and independent travelers. The cost to start with them is $199, and they offer 60 to 90% on commissions. Number 3. Gateway Travel. Gateway Travel caters to niches in adventure, cruises, group tours, leisure, luxury vacations, ethnic vacations, honeymoon and destination weddings, and free and independent travelers. They offer employee training and are one of the cheapest to join, with joining fees starting as low as $5. They offer 60 to 90% on commissions. Number 2. Travel Quest. Travel Quest caters to niches in adventure, cruises, group tours, leisure, luxury vacations, ethnic vacations, honeymoon and destination weddings, and free and independent travelers. They are a large agency and offers intercultural competence training. The cost to join ranges from $0 to $99, and they offer 60 to 90% on commissions. Before we name our top host travel agency, here are some honorable mentions. Number 1. Outside Agents. Outside Agents caters to niches in adventure, cruises, group tours, leisure, luxury vacations, ethnic vacations, honeymoon and destination weddings, and free and independent travelers. They are a large agency and offers intercultural competence training. There are no joining fees, and they offer 80 to 95% on commissions. If you agree with our list, let us know in the comment section. And of course, if you like this video, share it. Remember to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications by hitting that bell. Happy hunting, and see you in the next video.